Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Ritvik. You're viewing the part 3 and be sure to check out part 2 and part 1 because this is the continuation of part 2. So we did this shooting thing in part 2, right? Now we're going to go through the enemy and make some few finishing touches. And okay, I'll say what the enemy should do. So the enemy should pick to go any of these three and it should make many clones. So to make a clone here in this line I need to get this X direction, so you have to set this to 215 so that it will spawn in the X 215 and it will pick the random Y randomly. So I'm gonna set it at 0. There we go, it's perfectly centered and yeah, Y. So let's get this forever. At first it should hide because we're gonna create a clone. And, yeah, create a clone of myself. I'm talking about creating. Wait 0.5 seconds and when I started as a clone there are 3 of them. Okay, so I'll put that here, code for these 3. Okay, so we'll start with this one. When I started as a clone you have to first show the sprite and then go to 250 and pick random the Y. The Y means up and down, the X means side by side. So if I keep clicking, you can see that the clone is moving somewhere random. So the full Y position here is minus 180, I think. Yeah, minus 180 and 180. So let's set this to 180 and minus 180. And those part 1 and part 2 videos are in the description below. So if I look, it creates a clone here. So let's send this to the other one. Yeah, duplicate to the others. So it's like making so bunch of enemies. It might cause the CPU to lag. So you better decrease this to, increase this. So 2 seconds would be good. Yeah, 2 seconds would be great. So after you create the clone, you must point towards the shooter. So I'm going to here right point towards shooter number 1, shooter number 2 and shooter number 3. Where are they pointing at? Random directions. Okay, I think this is not the problem. I think we need enemy number 1, enemy number 2. I think that should solve the problem. So there are 3 of them. Remove this 2 on every enemy. Okay, so if we remove the enemy, here point shooter number 1, shooter number 2, shooter number 3. Now let's check. Where are they pointing at? Oh yeah. We need this to be this side, okay? If you want this project, I'm going to publish it in Scratch and I'm going to give you the link of that as well in the description. Please check out the description, it can be useful for the video. Okay. Now let's check where they're pointing at. Yeah, they're pointing at correctly there. Yeah, that solves the problem. And yeah, we should put here repeat until touching shooter number 1 here. Shoot until touching shooter number 1. Okay. Yeah, move. And after that it should delete the clone. And here I'm going to add the variable named shooter's life. Okay, that will carry all of these. So shooter's life. And after that I'm going to change shooter's life by minus 5. I'm giving this thing to the others and change this shooter. Okay, and if touching if it is shooter number 3, then you need to get touching bullet number 3. Okay, let me check. Yeah, so if touching bullet number 3, I just delete this clone, that's it. And here you have to set the variable of shooter's life to 300. Okay, yeah, I just coded for the again I'll say please check out the description. Okay, so let's whoa. Yeah, we need to decrease this to 0.2 or something. That's a bit faster. Yeah, this one's good. Okay, we can put the finishing touches right now. So yeah, it's done, but this is not the end yet, because I'm going to do some finishing touches like some changing colors or bullet improvements like that. I said to make it beautiful or something like that. So let's get started. Repeat until oh yeah, let's change the color effect. That's fine. You know what that will do? That will change the color of the bullet. You can also set the ghost effect or ghost effect to 0, then changing it out by changing it by 1. Let's see how that would look. I can't see it. So they're just feeding in the air. Okay, I'm gonna add this to the other bullets as well. Remember, change and set are 2 different blocks. Changing is like you're changing the effect. Setting means you're setting the effect. Setting is change the effect to 0, change the effect to 5, like that. Set and change is like moving from 1 to 5. I can't explain. If you look at the bullets, they're like fading away. Yeah, sometimes they're also not disappearing if some bullets hit them or not. So let's put or. Okay. Or this will be done. Okay. Bullet number 2, bullet 1, bullet 3. This would be great, more than one. So if any bullet hit anything, they'll just disappear. That will help more. If you want the trails, I might as well do that. But the trails is a little tricky because if you see in my mouse trails video, I'm using the start as a clone. So if I use it here, will it work? Okay, let's see. So if I started as a clone again over here, let I should keep on setting. What should I do? Oh, no, I can't do the trails. Sorry guys, I can't do the trails. But if you want, you can change the color effects. You can change some mood effect, like pixelate effect or something like that. Okay, so that's the ending of part 3. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed it and please subscribe.